You are doing these five Dermaroller mistakes and you don't even know. And Dermaroller mistake number 1 goes to that using it too often. People using way too often, thinking they're gonna get results faster. No, I have a table how often you should use it. I'm gonna put right here. You also can click link down below and get more information about that. Make sure you know how often you're using Dermaroller, because if you don't know, you're gonna be destroying your skin instead of actually healing your skin. Knowledge is everything, yeah. And Dermaroller mistake number 2 goes to using the wrong technique. When you don't know what kind of technique you should be using, you're not helping your skin at all. Maybe you're actually harming your skin. So, simple thing, I have a lot of YouTube videos on microneedling. I'm going to post down below a playlist of all Dermaroller videos. I have over 100 videos.
I'm sorry, I'm just obsessed about Dermaroller.
The number 1 rule for using correct technique, it is roll outward. Start on the right side of your cheek. Roll outward and always lift. Always lift, always lift. You want to roll up or out. You don't want to roll down or in. That's the thing. That's from the doctors, that's not from me. You have to know a little bit more than that. And mistake number 3 goes to Dermaroller. Mistake number 3 goes to, if you're using Dermaroller and you're not disinfecting with the isopropyl alcohol, this is the only one solution that you must to disinfect your Dermaroller tool. You don't want to get infection, you don't want to get inflammation, girl, because that is not healthy at all. And Dermaroller mistake number 4, I'm kind of almost hit my face. Number 4 goes to that you are using random skincare products after using Dermaroller. After you have tiny open wounds, random products that have a lot of irritating toxic ingredients that your skin is absorbing like a sponge, everything what you put on. Imagine you put something with perfume, with drying alcohol, with silicones, with parabens, with anything that you have randomly. It's not healthy. It's bad. It's bad. You don't want to apply something that is bad for your skin. Make sure you're choosing organic, non-irritating ingredients that have safe ingredients that not harming your skin, not irritating your skin. Check out genamber.com. I have a beautiful, natural, organic, plant-based, vegan serums that you can use after microneedling. And Dermaroller mistake number 5 goes to that you are actually not changing your rollers soon enough. When you have microneedling tool, I have other microneedling tool, let's say pen, right? You have a pen and you have to change cartridges each use, right? It makes sense, right? You know that, right? When a nurse takes blood out of your vein, right here, she throws away the needle. Does she use for your next time the same needle? No, you want to make sure with Dermaroller is the same thing. I will say maximum, if you're using, make sure you're not sharing with anybody. If you're alone using Dermaroller, change this max every 10 uses. So it depends on the size. For example, if you're using 0.5 Dermaroller once a week, you have to throw away after 10 weeks. 2.5 months. Makes sense? Needles getting duller and duller and duller. And a bonus tip, make sure you check your needles if they're not bent before each use. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Click the red button, subscribe, and I see you in my next video. Oh, it would be nice if you leave me a like. Thanks.